we talk about how can you select units on your Magicplan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on profile and account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on app preferences, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to inits. So then here can you select your inits here, just click on it in this sign. So then here can you select your inits here, then you click on done, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do to select your inits. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.